drink. I'm a milk here for. No matter because I know. You more young, very young milk. Milky. You're the young one, not more than you done. Not more than you done. All right. Now, let's go straight to my friend.
For the children. You understand? So I did it. You understand? Yeah, I was able. You see, the remaining one email, I'm not recover till now. When I have time, when I'm less busy, I will try and also recover that. All these things I'm doing it not because of anybody, but because of Sharon.
God bless you.
Children, because Sharon came with YouTube in that only helping because YouTube had some fault of which my meeting fix, and I will hold on until the family gave me permission. They should go ahead and do their things themselves. Because me, when YouTube may say 5. Even Facebook may say I have like 4 monetized Facebook. So why will I be concerned about somebody's Facebook?
Can you imagine this source?
And you, where I don't want to go that side because there's something they were for talk, but it is meant for inside house. From Victor we're not doing spokesman, the family. The same radio. It's not a voice note.
I'm not a spokesman. My wife spokesman. I'm book by making is it over my go ya? Come on, again. Mamma Munoge, book by me. I bear when I'm not that to a come again. There you go, you know, concern your women, it's a long barrier one of your own. No, you be a can, as you go, not you go, you know, that you go, not as you go, no loud, okay. A benny day. Yeah, only I. Now, let's call a speed. Easy or Mori. The way you are acting, you are really a bad friend for real. Sorry to say, I'm not insulting you. I'm just describing the kind of person you are. Your attitude has already show who you are. And anybody that has sense will know the kind of person you are. You're not helping Sharon, man. You are not really helping Sharon. I will tell you the truth. Believe it, take it or leave it. You are not a good friend to Sharon. I've said that number. You're not a good friend to Sharon. Do you know what? Easy if you are really a good friend to Sharon. See all this your stress when you talk. You forgot the Sharon Ma house. They help Sharon Ma. They assist Sharon Ma. They do 1 or 2 things. You just know your stupidity, your wicked heart, your wicked soul. How wicked and useless you are. Now you show for social media. Seriously. How useless you are. Now you show to people for social media. You don't get anything to talk for media. You don't have anything about Sharon or the mother to say for media. You follow your stupidity on media. Is that the truth? You say you should please leave me. Who are you? You hold yourself. The day you start backbiting Sharon, that is the day you hold yourself. The day you start snitching on Sharon, that's the day you hold yourself. That's the day you tie yourself down. The day you start lying on behalf of Sharon, that's the day you hold yourself. Nonsensical boha or say down. Or say down. Or say down. Also know you are Yuki. Your friend. Or say no doubt. And they can't blow your nyash. And they can't blow your nyash. Now this Facebook I will still blow your nyash. See that I know give me the clap on you. You go peaceful body the way I will blow your nyash. With evidence. Don't play. You never see anything. Just they pretend as if all is well. I just only tell you, say, Sharon have a living father. She have a dead mother. And she have a living mother. And she have a dead father. Easy, you know what I'm saying? You know what I am saying. Sharon have a living mother, biological mother. She have a dead mother. She have a dead father, biological father. She have a living father. Easy, you know all these things. And she have a boyfriend, a baby papa. Easy, you know all these things. Don't play. Hey, yo, boy, yo. The day with that kid go bust. Social media go breathe smoke that day. Now me talk. Oh, Susu Maye go breathe smoke that day. Do the needful, make myself just relax myself. Easy, don't stress me. The easy, don't stress me. The power where I get now, and they drink tennis. If you stress me, if I convert my tennis power to your matter, you know go like me. Because tennis get powerful, very powerful, 90%, 9% alcohol, 9 If I use tennis power for you, easy, I'll man away. You told him away. I did look like my junior sister. That's what I want to saga you. But you go on or my clear, my balance. Easy no your moji. I bet my day and I'm not happy back easy. Make it when I share this video. When I give it over line.
So why would she not be sending you a message? They're not getting married to talk. Yeah, we go you have been insulting me for.
Okay, go answer call you. Okay, go pick call you. I ask you a question. After we don't know you in a live video. After you have insulted her on live video, you should pick your mother's call. Because your man Jesus Christ, your man na Savini. Your man na Savini. Who the hell do you think you are? Sister, who the hell do you think you are? Say me, I'll be insulting you on live video. Who the hell do you think you are? I'll be your mate. I don't feel insulting you. Who is what? Bobby, you working? You working? Do you mad? Easy. You working? Oh, we're going to last one you make one. I'll bet you are. Oh, we have been sorting you all. Are you mad? Are you stupid? What book can maga? Nekwena muwe. On what your best friend you are blackmail and yiki. What book can maga no see your maga? What don't have problem? Boy, we have been sorting you. I don't feel sort you. Who the hell do you think you are? Mark Bowie. What's the matter with the lotto? They no men no ganya gozi. No my bokuma. Picking the trap picking. My friend, go and hide yourself. Go and yourself. How can you to pastor, well, nothing here. What? What's it, pastor? If I never guy, you are disrespecting me. Because you are living in America, you are making us a little bit of your word. Pastor Eddie, you are disrespecting me. Easy, are you mad? Because you are living in Italy, you are not like me here. Easy, what's your problem? You are disrespecting me because you are living in njoh. You are proud.
But you why is it you that they come? Why is it a presenter that the same message come give me? Call the topic in a presenter. Call this one. This one are the same person where they send me message every day. Go hospital, go here, go this, go to where they go. Or I remember now, I mean, Sharon or Sharon. Sharon. From Victor Lago. Next time, here I give one woman. Call him on your phone. You must not always do video to come and tell me. Because when you dagolden, I need to come and defend myself. So that will go again next time. And I'm easy.
Do my Zua. You said, or see where whether you are named when you anti against your friend mother. We magwalo will give me a magwalo. Now, the least views you had in your video you have done so far since Sharon death is about 60-something thousand views. The least. And I did not believe that any presenter have done a video that concerns Sharon that get 60,000 views. No, when 60-something thousand views, you have 100-something thousand views, 200,000 views on your same video that you called your friend, using your friend death to make money. Wegwelo, iridi wegwelo, iridi wegwelo. Wesha. I get a lot of me.
But for now, like I did, and I don't get anything that belong to Sharon with me. Nothing.
The account number, the bank account.
Small clothes with me.
The bank account. Talk about the bank account.
As only why I was a guy to turn it. So my car or can or two you call it never already buy a view of your so that I will answer because everyone original level person need to run from una. So it's no longer my fault. Sharon says
easy we or kekena lena. You easy. If to say Sharon, if you wake up to see you now, to see what you have done to the damages you have made, easy. Sharon for borrow leg loan. Sharon for no see you are a bad friend. Sharon for no see you are not a trusted friend. Who she go confide on, tell her secret so. What you do, Sharon? Easy. What you do, Sharon? Sharon don't buy. Person will be no know say Sharon get mama for life. You expose the secret of Sharon. You easy. You because they want you look for money. As you find rich, nobody adopt you for Italy. Nobody adopt you for Italy. Jealousy will buy you. Easy. You. And they come for you. Watch me tomorrow for more what to do for you. Where? Here I expose you. Oze no do we yeke Sharon wune. Sharon don't die. So if you not hear what easy do, na go wrong. If you not hear what this woman when they talk so, what did she do? Oh no, you more. What I know who are you le? Una go borrow le kiti. Or say yoga. Or say damn. Easy. Mo wa mad peace. Or egbe Sharon. Mo wa munu egbe Sharon. O munu oni dote. O munu. Emusi. Mo wa emusi. Ibi edo no zobo. Baba dania. Mo ye emusi ore. Okpamen. Egbe no ni. Egbe no egbe. Egbe na ipila. Egbe no men. Wa ton. Ko yelu game. Ko Koya egbe o ko egbe me do ma o do ko egbe ni mo se mo emusi o egbe ni ya ta yi ba yo ri typo ya egbe ba lo me o ye ọmọ na Oma. Okay, we know your bank statement you go, Bank statement you go allow. Okay. The boat. What's it? Go ye. Go. Man. All right, me. Go. Go, man. Go. Areu, iga ho mi we ekiti valide jemi ni mwina. Ogbe mwina ko mwina. Me obewe o ga mwina. Where worry you emoji why at last. We had your gossip we we compliment it. It's true so we. MC with the TV celebrant.
People, you get what I see for Facebook. I say no, I must block this video. Quick one to one of my sister. Easy or worry about Sharon's death and Sharon's property.
Watch the video. I hear on Facebook too. They saga me. Often why they saga me. Breaking news, my people. I greet you all with that. Please share this video. This is a special announcement to enogie by the family of Sharon Okpamen. Not by the mother, by the family, the father side. Easy, enogie, what talk by my brother. Zere as the omunu, orek be Sharon, ekberian. You know, las penas gume gwani kamawe. Una give in kamawe na. Iya wun la wu. Iya yo so boya ni kawo ina. Iya yo tedo ya ini afa. Igo no ni be platform iwe. Iya wun la ho. Uriye by go no ya we marriage. Iya mani de. Yes. Iya wun kama wun la ho wu. Iya ye ni kawo ina. Iya yo bana do ya ina. Enogie. Una give ni kama we be kamuna. Iya wun la ho no la ho. Iga ta uga ho. Runda a Facebook Sharon anate una gun ne do ya make na home the next plan, because very soon the card will be out. The burial arrangement of the card are preparing it. By Monday or Tuesday the card will be out and I will still post it. Already burial the arrangement of Sharon. You understand? So enogie, the message to you is this. That's the one that no matter when you last is for you to please. They begged you in the name of our ancestors. Ya etien do ya fe ya hinia. You go no gather a platform iwe. Ya wonu ya we marriage. Ya mani de. Ya wo ari e ba ego na haya support Sharon. Emnya mo hia we. E mota. You understand? So please, ewi egbeni wi la o re digwe. Ya mo egun ya hinia. Ula. E 2 million ogun hia re. The platform where you can't wedge. We don't need the money there. 2 million a problem here. 2 million here. Zenia here. Team we are you. No laho. She's all you go when you away. Every money carry away. Runda, what you need 2 million here. No arubia. No ajose here. The people that are talking and they're in abroad. Few, massive and Italy, they are all in different countries. They all flew down. Etienne, literally, let please bossy and lie. You understand? So, you know, when the last second, enogie, no lao. Ego no si coco, no yawe marriage. You understand? You money there. 2 million problem here. You understand? You have la sefena, you la sefena with Mongwaya Fefe no support. E Sharon. No, you go ya can't Sharon. Na me we I am Sharon wa. Ya we need be. Believe it or not, Sharon is going to be taken home. Eta bere man. The problem in the easy or the motive of burying Sharon here in abroad, supported by Sharon's brother. Okpamen insisted of burying Sharon here. Okpamen, which is the brother of Sharon, insisted alongside with Easy to bury Sharon here because they know the benefits they are going to bury. Now, let me pause. Umenwan, kama. Umenwan, jikuta, mozo jikuta. So, it is interesting. Now, what can I give? You are insulting Mama Sharon where a money page or Muye Oriye Sharon. We money page or Muye Sharon. Oriye Sharon, you talk rubbish. It's so unfortunately where Umaye Sharon one. You don't know her, you've not heard from her. And that was the prayer point of your husband to hear from her. But unfortunately, because of her nuisance and her stupidity, illiteracy, Okpamen, Israel could not do solo for him to hear from Sharon. Me want home from Sharon. Yeah, when you don't need Sharon, but then you go to work, I can come Sharon into work. You understand? But not all the time. But see me, like if you're not when they no give we. Every information you hear from me is legit. It's direct from the family. Because you're monoma anyway. And Okpamen no any be ya ge we ya ko mo be dia. Who vient beji omo no any eki. Dan yo omo no any eno wa gun ya mi lokpa. Omo no any eki. Emi yeta. Omo no we ni o me ni yeta. O se yin na si me ke gbe wo mo hu. Madam yo. Okpamen WhatsApp group. They have their own forum. If you don't know now, I'm telling you now. They have their own forum. A video concerning Sharon ni mewu na mu ye forum ni ero. You know the reason why? They pick sense from there. Despite the diaspora, they are abroad. They pick sense from there. They see and say, honor. Men, a Monica, any video the Monica who is going to that forum straight, no concerning Sharon, they go to that forum. Any video they go to that forum, including one woman self-love, self-love TV or something like that. Self-love. Stop with self-love. Enemy self-love. People, they watch each and everybody videos. If you don't know, you know now. Abandon video where you follow me. Abandon video where a video where abandon because we make sense. Uma gegyon. A Sharon with Magwankana, Mekasaga, you post the video. Yeah, we go. I look you as a hungry boy. When it's where you know I can break down your page. You know I can break down your page by posting a video on your page. You want to take my video, you know. But within a one game, I don't care within a one game. Your madness is with me. I live on. We are going to the party by party. I don't know your supermarket. I can't get your time. That's me for you. Even get away. But you buy go no ya the bosses by bosses na do your market. Make na abuyo. You body here too, bro. You say I just block the video. If you like, cut the full video, put it on your page. Make money on your own. I don't get time. Because if we go ni me now, or if we go do well, no WAHALA inshallah. But yagbe, ijano. You understand? But the only time the full ways I'm telling you, the major point of it all. If you don't need a proper wedding, you have a marriage. That's all. If you have a marriage, you Bible, you have a marriage. I should not put it in that account. It is not allowed. I see a boy. You understand? Yanti boy, every member, even as a bomb. You understand? Very sorry. Monday, one, I was in the Sharon. I've dropped a message. I believe you guys will also learn from this. Have it in mind. You guys should learn from this. Please, guys, all the enemy of Sharon, follow my page because I have more things to tell you guys. When I reach for you to know who is easy. I have more things about easy to expose to the world. But for the now, I seize my fire. Let there be peace. For her gentle soul to rest in peace. After peace, we will find pieces. I always repeat. A saga no hiarena. But I pray. Make easy. Do the needful. So that you don't go vex me. You don't go provoke me. I will just tell you matter. If you don't do the needful. If you be say, we will expose everything, you know. So that I don't get the It is well. May God bless each and every one of you. And now here, Okpamen. If you want to like where Uya no saga ye Sharon na makeup. Una dress. You understand? Una dress. I appreciate you for that. Umaye been on where ya guy. You might look well when we makeup where you. But I appreciate you for dressing up to come and saga mashup. Thank you very much. So I say, so long about deba wala oda wa mi wa to agun. Understand? Thank God umado yi egbi hun ya saga e will take out we makeup we mi ati what you know tight here. Understand? Understand? No kini ko wale perfume ya ko. But all no wa je no muso na makeup na mo vo nya so abo adeba wa to. I wa pe video because makeup. Makeup. Yeah.
Some African mothers do daggy one like weapon. This is not nice at all. At all. Listen to this boy. Listen to him. A bad page. Erico.
Okay.
I can't. Oh, Marie-Liz, if we can't. Not.
Or when you listen to this boy, may you boy. Someone say me. I will tell boy. Me will tell boy. You went to me. Someone say, you will do when you when I see me boy. Boy, you home. Someone say, me will tell boy, listen to this boy. Me, moi. You do when you I will pay you are. Someone say, when agwa afia na ogbene nya uga monako mewe tell boy ujima someone say mewe tell boy listen to this boy only meme uga mo mewe tell oja masomi oja makwada amarene apona sawano agbe mi a se Facebook na ye baba ko ba ja umenwan mo hello
You are proving it little. Who prove energy? Who prove energy? Any ga pungbe, egitiao, iku ga pungbe, arwao, otege, awona umomi, iku mumeni yaye. This is very bad of you, mommy. Mommy, this is very bad of you. Please stop this you are doing. It's your mono, I get your mono. But this time, you're even supposed to know what they are doing on media. And I will fuck you where. It's you know, let's up. We are coming again. We are with Facebook. What's it called? Any man, I have a shimmer. Any man, I have a shimmer. No son. I bet all your family, your father to wash WAHALA. So in the vest.
All right. Please, can you guys share this video? Can you share this video? Let me play the video of the family of Okpamen. Can you please share this video as they watch me now? I want to play the video of Sharon family. Oh, now they look me on the share. I'm gonna share it, baby. I'm gonna share the video. I will water, what again? Ewi. Hello, enogie. What up, man? Why you see that video? Okay, let me speak. Or speak.
What books are out the house? O sound be saying now. We no lo marry, we no lo marry. We no lo marry. Sharon Gune, or there we are, on me, when I will bury it now. Sharon, ya, oh, my, Mammy, I will ray. I will say, I will neck bear. On your yet, I love Gani. If you allow God, and I will say, neck bear. So, it's we no longer in a mind, we didn't hire women, we shall not come more. A property, you have your family, you don't to it.
I don't tire. I just
what is wrong with? Oh, in fact, my family, I found a carry, okay, can I casting, and they should be announced from
yeah, man, you look, Mama, Mama, they don't know anything.
Jesus Christ.
Mama, they don't know anything.
What is wrong with them? It's not a taboo. When you when you want submit you don't to it. No. And they stick. Oh my God. No ke imama no bio a family way in your rapona ya bege anyway so we know we social media already able kinya na we boka
yeah
a
family who it's a useless family
and we no longer here
they're useless family.
Jesus Christ go for peace.
Thank you very much. So I'm gonna share the video. Me I play the video of a Okpamen family. A video with family Okpamen now. Yes, boy, baba with the smart. Don't play with niggas. You go call it auto. Hey God, you gotta tell me what say. I know they start with them and we finish. Last. Now Sharon platform the possible to do the video. Easy no more you will collect. Sharon, you will lose the page. Oh yeah, now we will play the video of family, the spokesman of the family. Yeah, now the spokesman for the family. Which page be this? Is this not Sharon page?
Hello, Bayado, I've been a high. More Babin Bayabala, the Sharon on John. Waya West say. My anyway video, any committee, your Waya West say, Cabo Waya fair. Anyone so raw, the make respect industry. The Sharon Raye, Yant with the Yabet again. Baba always say, Waya fair. The here is one sweet near my yard now because Wabumbi Baba we see a Kobiria Domosa Destiny Bagua, it was usual me Baba.
Yeah, you this one. Phone in the man back. Well on.
Hello. Bayado, I've been a high.
Are you guys hearing?
Anyone so raw, the make respect industry. The Sharon Raye.
What's the enogie azul wa? Enogie o.
Baba we say bomu wa ya fe. The here is one swing near my yard now because wa bumpe. Baba we see a phobia.
Sharon ma where? Easy mo face the phone ya ati ruwe. Easy. Ebi buni ma egwan kan. Any phone na all yira. Any a platform a platform all yira na gwan.
It's never gwan. It was you and me baba.
Any platform.
Ma yo na ka we yan pa don important dey say o. But Evani engineer be na hin waya we say. Ke ba ni imagine e yare fefe waya we say. Association de Sharon yo teme. Etienne Yafu and the Marie no be he but Casino area hin Waya. Information about TV Gualo Bobe by someone right now. It's a year minute in essay and while the pouvoir while we understand it, not see no man someone bo. One copy again. Umenwan, because umenwan no boy pameni. Or a boy of the illegal, we understand. Beaya kude. Ni qual information de ladian. Mina ya LTV te family Sharon Okpamen mu. We have a family Sharon Okpamen. Ima swing in yo. I'm talking about Sharon, the children, and probably the fiancé. That's why I'm married, but it's also the part of the family. I'm not talking about family Okpamen or family Dada. I'm talking about a Norris Okpamen, which is his own personal family. A Norris and the children. That's what I'm talking about. Iyoboni, Agbalo Deco, Mana, maybe try. Nigualo de Yari, Nuanome, Yazan, Wanome, Nini Latian, Baba Kobiran, there's a bagua, West Baba. You can't call it where they will phone. In that way, this is to both the Dominican way, we are counting but Yayi where you put Lanya Kedoa de Rigawo, in Abama, Baba, Waya Tome, Wawesi. Baba Lavi Kata, I say. Yagwa la cantine de l'Adian. Il m'a oui, il y a beaucoup iyore or tion, a money, no a family Sharon. Ma odi ma be di yobona. Kemaya, need you body share, waya wese, and may be na you or a mistake. Now the way mistake you rate, by here, make be na you my way, my mag be, my region mag be. That over more be. But I think what I'm directing the money when mistaken it day. We have a okay now directing. The mistake you got here, mistake you got here, but the man, the association of you boy now directing now. Wow, my man, in a wow, West by the entire self. Me, Okpamen, senior brother to Sharon. Already go up and now I was so sabadi bawa sabadi go kabo ya fe. The man information there like the video now that way email idea I have no information nothing to say.
Okpamen, a rubbish all the time live video. Yes. This is rubbish. This is absolutely what? Rubbish. I say so. Okpamen. Okpamen, a prince of Okpamen, the senior brother of Okpamen, you understand, is the one talking, and this is absolutely rubbish. 100% what? Rubbish. This is not the real family. Not the one. This is not the real family. Not the one. You understand? This one is talking for his own selfish interest. Yes. A Facebook in that one. Because as today, the family is supposed to speak. I know a lot of chaos, agony, Nigena cause. Definitely, as far as the family member he decided because he knew that today Everybody is expecting the family to talk. That was why he did this video. That he did. This guy never came out to speak. This guy and Sharon is working together. This is the remote control of Sharon. A remote control me and Sharon. When I share this video, go give him. A rubbish shorota. Is it a destiny about Okpamen or do it go? A destiny about Okpamen might pay 1 naira. Ya can't na ya win Sharon all this while. Yeah, it might pay 1 penny, 1 penny. Yeah, might pay. It was even today. A destiny about TV where you pay 500,000 and the family. They will pay 500,000 to Sharon's mother's account to support Sharon. It was today. I didn't start training when he called me. Then you are not saying Destiny Bagwa and we say Gato association. Who give a fuck with the association? What has association done? Association that Sharon has done nothing. Absolutely nothing. They all kept mute all this while. It was the general public has been donating money for the rest fund to take Sharon's back home. Okpamen, see, be careful, no the real boy. A plan will no give me. No why is Sharon Yakungo a bad way. Go and hustle and make money for yourself. And stop to extract money from your sister. You dey feel me so. If the general public is going to support Sharon, they are supporting Sharon to take Sharon back home, not for the kids. A bonus on beer, a rambio and a beer, a wobio, all my beer. Are you okay? Are you sick of something? Where am I the Germany? Oh, my beer, my Germany. You know what happened? If you don't have to go, you're going to Sharon. Sharon. Are you okay? That you are coming to social media to talk rubbish, to talk trash. Do you think you are talking to a dumb or a fool? Get inside and smoke. Because women want that. This issue of your sister does not concern you. It concerns your family. You understand me now? What has they done? Concerning your dead sister. Oh, because the video. The God for me, you way. Anyway, you go for me. Go for me. It's not up to 2,000 euro. Do you know how much people have contributed personally to your mother's account? You are giving kudos to people that have not donated 1 naira. You talk to support your mother. Are you okay? Were they okay? I bet we're slim way. If I marry couple here, I can't about the God for me and the Nigeria account. They marry me you way. I was watching your live video. You are a kudos again. I think so. You really sick upstairs. I really heard that you are looking for his Destiny Bagwa's account direct number to call him for your selfish interest. You see how stupid you are. I will come and expose the plan between you and Easy very soon. Don't play. The plan between you and Easy, I will expose you to your what no. More umenwan. If you don't know, you should know now. You come and step on that other man, but you see more my prince, Naijawatch, Okpamen, Sharon no dia. I will say, I can't the association. Association who doesn't care about Sharon. Association that just print Sharon paper at yesterday, pictures at yesterday, right? We will miss you. Association could not raise 5,000 euro. 500 euro. Association has not posted accounts to support Sharon. I'm giving kudos to association. I'm so disappointed in you. I'm a biochemo. If we get if we move the motion to Zua, a beer way or master or what be way. Deti juwe wa he. Yan wa we so pure o firira. No gbekwa na ya biwe we mo. Okpamen, awa we so pi is coming off from where I was so pi. Agbe yi wa ko ya o soda, agbe yi soda. Ukpe ki a ba yo o masa ya ayu ya fun mo. Association yon na malake bien. So association o ti we na wo kere ni ade. Ama ti juwe. Kwa cook beans. Ude plan over. Now you hold on to this account, this Facebook page. All this while. Facebook page was supposed to be for the children. You hold on to this Facebook page. You see how you can easy can never go scot-free. Easy can never go scot-free. Because this is how to mastermind everything. You are manipulative when umangi yata wo. Umangi yata wo. Emani may pay £1. Yes, so because your own who are your cat gear. Let me repeat your video again. Now what have you see the plan of this idiot.
Sharon njoh. Waya wese. Ke maya ni we video ke ni comment yo waya wese ka bopo mu waya fe. Anyone so ni make abo respect industry. Ni Sharon raye. Yan we video yan betie me. Baba wa wese bomu waya fe. The here is one sweet near my yard now because Wabungbe Baba we see a Koberia Domosa Destiny Bagua it was me Baba. The man yard after we about important the sale, but
go to the GoFundMe, go and check. If you go see Musia Igato for the GoFundMe, a very greedy man. Come get the forum. Go to GoFundMe, go and see, go and check. Go to GoFundMe, definitely, Destiny Papa. That one just tell me right from day one. For the past, I would say a week ago now. The years from can't see like Destiny already told me already where he and his asshole. He categorically said him and his asshole is going to support Sharon with 500,000. That was what he told me. On the way, when you come in, you're going to walk in and post the receipt. You're forward the receipt. Yeah, bros, no shipping. Everywhere good. Today, me decide to they go hard, come ask. Destiny calling me where he can support Sharon with 500,000 in the cat of me. The network will break because I did some my sat on it. Or say, when I said, you will not okay. You know, you will go again. Never I'll call you. You left me so. People has been supporting this account, Nigeria account. Should I start calculating how much they support Nigeria account? You know how many thousand of euro through my platform? I never talk about money. We large and do do 20 money made support. Apart from the GoFundMe Yaki, we do because you did look for their money. Criminals like you think you are smart. I'm gonna fool you for this media. Shishi, you no go see. Okpamen, kobo umi ya winner. Italo ye. Iyore be your bo. Go and walk, go and hustle. Winner, we are better out way. Mama, come on. This is your video. I go adjust transform. Join Sharon. I don't come house now. Iyore one. Ya kabo sansuwa. Ya kiwa nsawana make now. A message in a give me times. You say winning. You no coco, you know ya we marriage. And go your money day. We also away. Also away. On one no go bere Sharon. No go bere Sharon Italian. And by that expose wa. Wabizi. I will expose you guys. A plan of easy me. Eti work. Agboyan bawa. What are you?
Evani Virginia re na hin waya wese. Kevani imagine yare fefe waya wese. Association in Sharon, iyore.
Definitely. The reason why this guy do this video. The reason why this guy do this video, because this guy already known. This guy already known from the family. Say today, the family have to come out and talk to the people. If you watch him now, he didn't say anything. The burial arrangement, even the one me even know, you never know. Ozoro, ole moroko. Ole moroko na. Bueno. Yema ye dia you. Omo ligi na me ba mo yemi eno. It's not composed. Omo ligi. Oti on ekere ogu na. Ona we ono ya gwaligo. We ono wa dagri pase na. Agripa na ina. Ije ya afin ba ya obo. Ije ya ri ba ni. We ono wa betu. O betu ko na about this Australian goats.
Information about three gwalo obobe by
La do wo we BBL hu. Wa go me this Australian goats. Let we BBL hu. Mu era gbagbe my brother. Sharon already. This guy should be here for it.
I'm on board right now. And what the pouvoir, while we understand it, not see the man is on board. One copy again. Umenwan, because umenwan no what cowboy pameni or a boy of the illegal, we understand. But I could ni qual information de la dia.
Now, or information wa gonna be on my see on board. But in here, the qual information de la dia. This is the brother of Sharon. This is Prince Okpamen. Or information wa gonna be in here, the qual information de la dia. That's to tell you, say, the family has not given him the go-ahead to announce on how to bury the sister. You understand? Because he is in the side of burying Sharon in Europe, while the mother refused. So, this guy and Easy, they are the same like this. They want Sharon to be buried here in Europe, alongside with some Sharon's friends in abroad. The reason best known to them. But Sharon herself and her spirit refused to be buried in abroad. Requested by taking her back home. So now people, no nyama we him we are we over your the no go away. One no the no Prince Okpamen we yon biomoa. Yon nyama no wa. Prince Okpamen we ya bio we don't we better yawo. It's simple. This is your sister. Usually, your mother will decide the Nigeria, you're not moving in Canada, you're not over here. As far as the family is support of it, so be it. So why are you becoming chaos to this decision? What is your game? And I will tell the word again when I reach. Don't play. I will tell the word again between you and Easy. Edemodi, why you take that baby to Easy? I will tell the word when I reach. Don't play. Muta. I will expose you. Yeah, expose what? God. You guys need to do the right thing. Sincerity. Be sincere. You go na my na me. Anybody knows somebody with 1 naira, respect that person. Be honest. You see this one where you come talk to a scam. You see this video where they play, so this is a pure scam. This is not a family request for. This is not a family request for. I came out categorically and said the family should come out on Sharon's platform and do video. Destiny Baba came out and said the family should come out on the Sharon's platform and do video. Self-love TV, apropos self-love, say the family should come out on the Sharon's platform and do video. Monica came out and said family should come out on Sharon's platform and do video. We all said the family should come out on Sharon's platform and do video. Oh no, I'm going to I'm glad you. I'm not getting now. I'm not getting information I want to give now. Then why do you come out? Why did you come out? You get their number. Call your president, thank them. Why did you come out on social media? The people that are sweating, fighting for your mother, fighting, defending your sister, you don't come and come president. You they come and say priest. They come and say Destiny Bagua, Akoberian. Who give a F? They get money. They get money. Why not pay 20,000 euro? Give your mama the one take out your slab was. When they come and call the president, you don't hear they go. You know what? For one night, go back. Who you don't code? When we bother say, oh, believe you, but do like more agmonji. Who must not zero them what on the one? Nicola. What tia be having with you? It will be. What tia be a what hypo bearing with you? The social media, they will know. I dare you. Nonsense, the cabois. You wire your boy, when you are there. What are you? It's my youngster, mommy. You become a nuisance. When I young, ever been over the way, you are 10 back, also your back. In what you know, what button. You are 10 back, so your back. You are fake out of your car. A car, boy, of your car. Mana Ekana saw one so. Let's with this cat mashup as your sense. Becoming a nuisance for this Jamila. A story that dirty story. Not be this. When I people so not here, Mina. Don't play. Hey, are you boy? Either if you boy. I'm gonna leave you guys now. Let me go and take a rest. And I will see you guys tomorrow for more updates. Don't play. Now, tomorrow, get ready. Tomorrow we'll come out, we'll go into different dimension. Hey, are you boy? Sharply, as the other play. We'll go into different dimension tomorrow. We'll go for this Sharon matter. We'll go for politics tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll go for politics. We'll go for politics in Edo. Politics in what? In Edo State. APC and PDP in Edo State. Edo State now has turned to tongue of war. Guys, call your family back home. Let them be careful. This time, let them sit down in their house. If they are coming out to vote, let them vote wisely. This time, we'll talk tomorrow. I will see you all with us. Kudos to every one of you guys who are out there watching me, viewing my video, share my